viewers, welcome back to my channel Astro Debanwita. Today I came back with a new tarot tutorial video on the major arcana tarot deck related to a new card, and this card is also known as the star card. So before beginning with this video, I would like to tell you all that if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then kindly subscribe my channel by clicking the red bell icon below to get such more interesting tutorial lessons related to tarot as well. Now let us understand the symbols of this particular cards. In this card we can see that a woman is kneeling by a small pond and also looks into it. This could be a reference to the Greek myth of Narcissus, a story in which a man is so captured by his reflection in the water that he falls in and drowns. The pond in the card is though rippled, rendering any reflection obsolete and thus revealing the futility of narcissism. The woman is holding two jugs. One jug is on her right, typically seen as representing her consciousness, while the jug on the left is seen representing her subconsciousness. From the jugs, there are two streams. One stream is flowing back into the pond and the other stream flows into the ground. The pair of streams symbolizes the cycles of life. This paradox of travel creates a harmony between the conscious and the subconscious. The woman's feet in the star card also creates a paradox in this position. One foot is standing on the land while the other foot is standing on water. Despite the difference, the woman's posture is stable. Above the woman shines a big 8-pointed star. The star is most likely a purity symbol, 8 points often denoting a diamond, the ancient representation of purity. Surrounding the 8-pointed stars, there are also 7 smaller white stars. While their symbolism is disputed, it also somehow means that the 7 stars represents 7 chakras of Hindu philosophy. Now let's explore the key meaning of these cards whenever they come in an upright reading. So if this card somehow comes in upright love reading, it could mean that you are quite optimistic about your love life and you are also healing from your past wounds. If it comes related to your career related reading, then it could mean that positivity could bring career rewards and high hopes about getting a job. If this card somehow comes related to your finances reading, then it could mean that you will reach your financial goal and also you may stay inspired related to the same as well. If this card somehow comes in health related reading, then it could mean that if you have been suffering from some kind of health issues, then this time or a time is coming of great healing. It can be a signifier for good health and for health issues being resolved in a positive way, or it can simply signify that you will be feeling much more hopeful about your future health as well. Now if this card somehow comes in the reverse position, it also has certain meanings related to the life also. It could mean that there could be frustrations, there could be theft or danger from theft, there could be unfulfilled expectations, disappointments are also possible, some kind of abandonment is also seen in your life, and also there could be an average life leading to losses. So I came to an end with the video of the star card. I will again come with a new free tarot tutorial lesson. Till that time, thank you. Namaste.